Dear traders, before moving on with the course, we have a neutral view trading Telegram channel. In this channel, you will get all the stock related analysis and high quality content related to the stocks and stock market. So you can subscribe to this channel. The link for this channel is in the below description, and additionally we also have a Twitter channel where here also we post high quality content related to stocks and stock market. You can follow us for this as well. Now let's move on with our course content ahead.
On the lines of face value, now let us look at the concept, that is, what is IPO? After deciding the premium price, company will announce the IPO, which is also known as initial public offer. Company share will now be released at a premium price range between, for example, let's assume the premium price of a share is 170 to 200 rupees for 14 shares. So the company will release 14 shares as to be bought mandatorily within the price range between 170 to 200. If the demand of the shares will increase, suppose among the shareholders, the demand for the share increased, then on the listing day, the price will double. That is, earlier it was 200 rupees for 14 shares. Now, for 14 shares, it will be 400 rupees on the listing day. Because of this kind of huge returns, people tend to buy the shares during the IPO and sell the same shares to earn profits on the listing day of the shares in the stock exchanges. There are instances where listing price of the shares have gone down and people have lost all of their money. So it's better to do a thorough fundamental analysis and technical analysis of a stock and then invest